This is the presentation of directive reflection yearly 2025-26. So first statement is clarity, conviction, and confidence. So I learned what is clarity is. Clarity means being clear about things, about something, and conviction means strong belief about things, and confidence means trust in yourself that you can do it. Like here is the data of model. Here is the examples of model 3 and model 4. I don't have examples from model 2. So like when I was doing my 3 kilometer running trial, I have clarity that this is example of model 3. I have clarity that I have to run, and I have strong trust that I can do it, and I also have confidence about it, and I also have confidence, and I did. Good, yeah. And the second example is like when I was doing my running trial, I was clear about destination, and I have conviction that I can do it, and I also gain the confidence. Both are same. हाँ but अलग अलग मॉडल में ये मॉडल 3 का है मॉडल 4 का है मॉडल 4 में सब रनिंग चला है स्टार्टिंग में एक ही पर हुआ था लास्ट उसको अपलोड किया then when I have to put out the cow milk I have cleared that how that how I have to do it means I know about the क्या कहते हैं उसे maybe
उस प्रिया जानते हैं क्या आप जो नहीं टीवी पर वाला था छोटा वाला
अंदर so I know about technique how to put out cow milk.
You did your checklist presentation.
So I know about technique how to put out cow milk, and I have conviction that it's hard in starting, but I can do it, and I did. अब हैबिट बन गई आदत आ गई then हिलो मत बोलो मत सोचो मत I understand from this that don't do unnecessary movement, don't do unnecessary talk, and don't think so much about unnecessary things. So ये मॉडल 3 मॉडल 4 का सारे में डाटा है सारे सेंटेंस में तो वन पहले मॉडल 3 का होगा देन मॉडल 4 का होगा so one day when I was doing science classes that time I follow this statement ये I think मॉडल 3 का है मुझे भी क्या इतना क्लियर नहीं है क्या मॉडल 3 का है क्या क्योंकि मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन से कॉपी किया है तो इतना क्लियर याद नहीं है and when I was doing math solve there I used this statement sometime and when I was doing classes there I use this statement sometimes classes means math classes ये मॉडल 4 का है नीचे वाला 3 स्टेटमेंट जो पॉइंट्स में है इसमें इस बस इस स्लाइड में बाकी सारे में नहीं है वो एंड व्हेन आई रिविजन इवनिंग मीटिंग देन समटाइम आई यूज दिस सेंटेंस
And your presentation will inform me.
Then other statement is I, my mind, my 5 senses, my body, my universe. So I am my body, my 5 senses, my I am my mind, my 5 senses, my body, and with this I see universe. I see this universe. So when I think about doing my study, my mind say ये एग्जाम्पल्स हैं ऊपर वाला ये वाला स्टेटमेंट समझा रहा था कि क्या है स्टेटमेंट नीचे का ये सब एग्जाम्पल्स है so when I think about doing my study my mind say let's do it on other time sometime I control it sometime I don't so when I control I did my study when I did not control I lost I mean I did not 99 my study. Other point is when I want to wake up early my mind says let's sleep sometime my mind says let's sleep sometime I wake up sometime no, I'm not wake up I'm not wake up I was not waking then other example is when I was doing my physical my mind try to procrastinate that, but I control sometime and sometime I did not control. हाँ बोलिए. अब थे नहीं तो अब भी इसमें कैसे हंसे? इसके अदर स्टेटमेंट में आप पूछना चाहे तो पूछ सकते
उसकी स्टेटमेंट होते ना
हैं. बोलिए.
वो वहाँ पहले में गलत
हाँ वो पता है मुझे.
मॉडल 4 में बोले थे
वहीं से कॉपी किए थे.
नहीं की
भूल गए थे. Then unique me. I understand everyone is unique in this world, so don't compare with anyone.
सर की रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है.
और-
आप इधर आ जाइए. आप भी मैडम इधर आ जाइए.
I try not to compare with anyone. I don't compare myself about my height, color, strength. ये मैं एग्जांपल बता. I try not to compare anyone. And 3 examples. I don't compare myself about my height, color. I don't compare myself. I don't compare anyone by their running speed. I don't do compare in doing work in farm. Not work in study, work in farm. Working in study में I did compare many times. Then समाज सोचती हूँ भुजंग को जिसके पास सरल हो. Forgiveness उसे क्या जो दम थे जिसके मीनिंग सरल हो. Forgiveness to only those who are powerful, just like poisonous snake. Sometimes I become irritated with the call of cow. Means in the morning time at 2 or 1.5 o'clock, he start biting my hair. So sometime I means अभी नहीं क्योंकि अभी तो बड़ी हो गई तो बाहर रखते हैं. But in the model 4 starting when she born, so till 1 month I have to put it inside where I sleep. So she bite my hair. So sometimes I irritate, but till now I did not beat him. Means he is 3 months old, but I did not hit him any time till now. Then यही समय है, सही समय है. This is the only time you can study and focus on your career. If the time gone, it will never come again. Examples like I am doing study and I know that this is the time when I can do study. After some time, after some year, I cannot do study because then I become married and I have child. So that time I am not able to do study. And there are many big opportunity which close by my age. Like for example, NDA it's closed after 18 years, means 17 and a half or 18 maybe something like this. Means from 17 to 18, between 17 to 18, the opportunity to clear NDA is closed. Then a second example is same example. वो model 3 का था, ये model 4 का था. I am doing study now after my marriage. I am not able to do study that much. Then other example is I am doing physical activity after an age I will not able to do it. Means after 40-50 year I am not able to do physical activity so much. Then अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. It's also same as previous one. जो भी यही समय सही समय. Examples मैंने इसके दोनों का सेम समझा. इसका एग्जाम्पल है like I am young this time. I can easily do physical work. After 40 years, 50 years, I will not able to do so much work. Other example is like example of NDA. There is a time limit, means from 17 to 18, between 17 to 18. After that, I cannot means यहाँ पे U लिखा है, but I cannot able to do this. Then G 2.47. When I did seva, I don't think about result. यहाँ पे was लिख दिया है. When I was did seva, when I was do seva, when I was do seva, I don't think about result. Means there is, that's why we are doing seva, doing something which result will not come to you. And that one is called Shiva. And when I was listening to sentence Charles, I did not think about result that which information and which knowledge sentence Charles give to me, like about Advaita Vedanta, it will help me in future or not. I don't know. I don't think about that. I just listen. I don't have any interest in that subject, but I have to listen, so I just only listen. And when I making and giving presentation, I don't think how someone react. This I did not follow it every time. Sometimes I follow it, but when I follow, I did not think about how someone react. Maybe it's happened on one times
No.
in 100 times about presentation example. And then time is the most precious commodity.
नहीं है
कमोडिटी होगा यहाँ पे मैंने कम्युनिटी लिखा है कमोडिटी
नहीं।
ऑफ द अर्थ time is the previous thing in the world if time
Time is the-
gone so we cannot take that time again. Sometimes I try to save time like when I was doing something important and interesting I have to save time from everywhere like when I have to see Ramayana in the evening time then
do not avoid weekend.
then I try to save as much time as I can so that I can see Ramayana more. And in starting of model, I was stopped wondering and
Model
playing.
1, Model 2, Model 3, Model 4.
That time I saved.
Model 1, Model 2, Model
Model
3.
4 ये एग्जांपल मॉडल 4 का मॉडल 3 मॉडल 4 का मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला इसलिए मैंने बोला आप आए नहीं थे. Then Sivoham spoken by Shankaracharya and tell what is what Brahman not is. तो इसका प्रे अप्लाई सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्मा. I don't realize it's about realizing real nature. It's say about what the Brahman is, what real nature is. So I don't apply it also. And the world is an absent place. The world is an absent place. People pay to them who is more efficient, who did their work on time or before time. So I try to apply it sometime when I was making presentation of weekly means उसमें हमारे पास टाइम कम होता है ना. And sometime I in time pass video when certain character do work you become efficient. Many times we say try to be efficient. So we try to be efficient on that time. Means everyone do work together. So we can be more efficient than doing it alone. So presentation is ended.